Good morning once again from Tokyo, Japan. This is our fourth full day here in the city, and we needed a bit of a break after the last 3 days because we were pretty high energy, doing about 30,000 steps every day, so we're starting to feel it a little bit. So today is what we're considering our chill day, which doesn't mean we're sitting around doing nothing. We took the train for about an hour this morning, and we're coming to see a very special temple. It's called Gotokuji Temple or something like that. I don't think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, we're going to this temple and it's full of a lot of very interesting characters, or so we hear. Anything in English here? Legend holds that while hunting with falcons, the daimyo Lee Neo-taka was saved from a lightning bolt when the abbot's pet cat Tama beckoned him into Gotokuji. This is the origin of the lucky beckoning cat, or Maneki Neko statue, which is very popular as a charm for home safety, business success, or fulfillment of prayers. I've spotted the first beckoning cat of the temple. There he is. Oh, he's got a rat friend.
Sometimes you have a fish or something in their mouth.
Oh yeah, they mean different things. We're starting to come across more and more.
Is there more than this? I thought this was like where they were.
Huh?
Oh, look it up here.
Oh, little cute ones. Oh, there's lots of them all around here.
Yeah.
Dog house, it's a cat house. Actually, it's more like a shrine, I bet.
Yeah, I really think we're both equally disrespectful.
Yeah. Hey, what are those little figurines in there that aren't cats? We are uncultured swine. Oh, look at this one. This one has a... What is that?
Hmm?
Oh, there's a black one. Carl likes saying konnichiwa to all the little kids. Good job. Wow, this is nice. I don't know, there's something about the trees in Japan that I just love.
They're beautiful.
beckoning cat.
I thought there might have been a sun.
That would have been awesome. This looks much newer. The wooden one that we passed earlier was from 1659.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
Oh my god.
Look at this, it's so cute. This
Oh, it's very fun. Totally.
Oh, I love it.
These two heads, are they spirited away?
Yeah.
I recognize them.
I think so. Love it. Will you like to sit on a stump and consume our cream puff Totoro? So we were just walking along, about to get the train back from the Gotokuji Temple, and Carl just mentioned that there was this bakery nearby.
It's Totoro.
And he mentioned the name of it. I was like, oh, I know that one. That's the one with all the Totoro cream puffs. So we happened to be right next to it, so we had to run over and try it. And it's so cute.
Gonna eat it then?
Yeah. It's strawberry cream cheese filling.
It's not the texture I expected, but it's really good.
It's kind of crunchy.
Kind of like a harder shell. Burrow.
Yeah, it looks good.
Of course.
I regret nothing.
Really.
So much cream.
Next stop is
We've come out for sushi finally. It's been a couple days since we've been here, and this is actually the first time we're trying sushi. We're kind of in an area where there don't seem to be a lot of sushi restaurants. It's mostly ramen and like soba noodles and stuff like that. But we made the special journey to find sushi. So we're at a place called Kura Sushi. It's a conveyor belt sushi. So basically, they're all coming around like this. You just choose the ones you want as they come by, and then they charge you by what kind of plate you have. Very interesting system. It's like a little cooked sausage.
This kind of tastes like mustard.
Oh,
I think it is about mini hamburger.
go for it. Hey, what did it taste like?
It tastes like a mini burger.
On rice. Now, I rarely order anything other than the salmon nigiri. It's just the best.
You don't want to know?
Nope. It's just the best thing ever. I'm making you nervous or something?
I swear. Rice.
These ones look crazy.
Like a fried egg and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, here they come. What? Yay, I finally got it. I'm sorry, everyone else who wants nigiri. Yes, right on time. All the plates go in here. Although I don't know what to do with the chopsticks.